Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to reset Samsung air conditioner remote control and fix any problem like the remote control not working or not responding with your Samsung air conditioner, or you're having the problem where some buttons on your Samsung air conditioner remote control are not working, or a situation where some text on the air conditioner remote control are just stuck. In any of these cases, resetting your Samsung air conditioner remote control might just help you fix the problem. And the process is quite simple. By the way, this applies to literally any Samsung air conditioner remote control model. So first thing you want to do is to flip your Samsung air conditioner remote control to the back, and then you want to open up the battery pack over here. Use your finger and then just pull out both batteries. Now, once you've been able to remove both batteries, you want to long press on the power button for about 10 seconds. Now, what this will do is that if there is any power surge that is causing the remote control to not work properly or not respond with your air conditioner, this is going to drain your Samsung air conditioner remote control of that power surge and reset the AC remote control to start working properly again. So what you want to do is to just long press on the power button for about 10 seconds, just like so. And once you're done, you want to release the power button, and now you can proceed to insert both batteries into your Samsung air conditioner remote control. But at this point, you also want to make sure that you have good batteries, because sometimes the battery can cause your remote control to malfunction. So you can go ahead and get new batteries if your batteries are bad, and then proceed to insert them properly into the remote control. So properly insert them like so, and then you want to insert the other one. Now you can go ahead and close up the battery pack properly as well. At this point, you're going to see all of the lights flash at once, but if you do not see that, you do not have to worry as well. Just go ahead and try turning on your Samsung air conditioner, or turn it off using the power button, and also make sure you're pointing the air conditioner remote control to your Samsung air condition. So once you tap on the power button, your Samsung air conditioner should start working properly again. And if this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.